Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Although that's a little deceiving because it wasn't necessarily on the day. I mean, essentially the early part of the day, nothing was happening. And then all of a sudden this afternoon is where things really picked up with the volume and the price reacted very nicely with it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 17.5 cents. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 17.5, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level after that would be that former resistance level, and that's it. Oh, that makes it easy. 16.5. So 17.5 and 16.5, the next and near term levels of support. Taking a step back though and looking at all this from more of a bigger picture time frame, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 17.5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, now that I think about it, resistance levels don't matter on this one. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps doing this action, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the price keeps building these stair steps, then over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So really at this point, just focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on building higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.